So hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we download QR scanner on our phone. To know that, firstly go to the Play Store. After going to the Play Store, type QR code scanner. After going to the QR code scanner, at the first you can see QR and barcode scanner. Just click on that. You can see the ratings here. It's pretty good comparison to other. Just click on install. It will obviously take some time. Now you can see we have installed it. Just click on open. While using this app, now you will be able to connect Wi-Fi through this. You can see the type is WPA. The password will pop up too. So overall this app is really great for scanning QRs through the phone. And you can also scan any QR, not just Wi-Fi, through that app. So that's it guys, hope you like our video. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe, plus see the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.